Hello, thank you for watching my action. BB service from Japan. Here today with Contax G2 with Contax TLA 200 flash. So go see through the outlook. There is no serious scratch. Very clean outlook, except for some scalp hit marks right here and here and the bottom and the back. Otherwise there's no dent. So we see an excellent condition. And inside camera is also clean. The mold plane is clean. The pressure plate. And the camera works properly. And this is turn on, and you can change the shutter speed and manual focus. It works properly. You can set the manual focus and turn the dial. And this ISO setting works, and you turn the manual focus dial. And changes, and this drive mode and single, the continue low, continue high, and the self timer, double exposure, and works. Alright, the grip is clean, it's not sticky at all. And this is TLA. So works. Very strong flash. And comes with the body cap and soft case for the flash, and the Contax strap. It's used strap, but it's not worn, not damaged badly. It has a original box. So that's it. Thank you very much.